We're on. Oh, what in the world do we have? Oh, it's a nice one. Come on, baby. Stay on, please. All right, guys. Got a little different video today. I'm gonna be taking the kayak out and doing some bass fishing on that. So let's get this thing in the water. Oh, get the wheels from out underneath. And go ahead and get out there and try to find some bass. We got our trolling motor on, so we're gonna be good there. Don't have to paddle much, but I got it just in case. And yeah, we're gonna be just fishing banks today pretty much, and hoping to find some of these nice little big bass, you know, that are out here, because there's plenty of them. And to start things off lure wise, we're gonna use the chatterbait with the little trailer on it. So yeah, we're gonna throw that out there when we get to the spot. We got the motor off. We're just gonna start chucking along the side of these areas, see if anything wants to come up and get some chatterbait. There's all sorts of freshwater species in here. There's gar, bass, what do you call it, pike, chain pickerel, bluegill, a whole bunch of variety, which is what I really like, which means hopefully we'll get lucky and find one of those guys today. Are we on? Yeah, we're on already, boys. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Little guy, but to already be on a fish, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. So there we go. Chatterbait hadn't even been in the water more than a whole 2 minutes, and we already got a fish. So heck yeah, thanks for biting, buddy. Let's see if we can get a bigger one. Yeah, so we already are on the board and we just started fishing, so it's either going to be a really great day or a really terrible day. But nonetheless, that's a fantastic way to start things off. And if anybody's wondering what I'm throwing, I am using a 6'6" Daiwa Laguna combo, or not combo, sorry, rod with a Bass Pro reel. And it is the Formula Series reel. Not sure what size exactly. I had bought a combo, but then broke the rod. But heck yeah, fish one on the board on the chatterbait. Let's keep this thing going for another 20-30 minutes, and if nothing bites on this lure, then we'll switch it up. But heck yeah, we got a nice pound fish to start off the day. That is what we love to see. Ah, hate my chatterbait gets stuck. And it doesn't chatter. Or it does, but oh, we lost. What in the world? Yo, Z-Man, you got some explaining to do. What is that? Okay, so I'm gonna get this little weedless jig. I'm gonna tie this, or put this little paddle tail on there. That's what we're gonna throw in place of the chatterbait. That was kind of my bread and butter today, or at least my idea of my bread and butter. So we're gonna have to switch it up, but no worries. All right, we're all rigged up. Let's see how this thing looks in here. Yeah, looks good. Looks like my chatterbait without the chatter. Let's see if it can get us a fish. Oh. Oh, we just took it right here. He's right here. He's right here playing with it. Let's see if I can get him to go for it. Oh, we're on. We're on. Perfect toss. This one feels a lot more decent. He's fighting a lot better than the last one. Let's get him in the net. Come on, baby. There we go, in the net. Heck yeah. This one's probably a nice little 1.5 pounds probably. But heck yeah, he hit that as soon as it hit the water. All right. Beautiful fish. Thank you so much for biting, bud. Woo. I'm glad we're on them today. That is awesome. Thought I'd come back to the corner that I missed that fish in earlier. Maybe my luck will turn around now that a few hours have passed. Maybe I'll be able to get him. All right, guys, well, that pretty much wraps up fishing for today. I'm gonna come back here tomorrow. Hopefully we're gonna get on some more fish, so I will see you guys then. What is going on, guys? Welcome to day 2 officially. We're back on the kayak, and today we're gonna be starting off throwing the little baby bull shad swim bait. So we're gonna see what this thing's about. Hopefully land a nice fish. Targeting bass today, but I will pretty much take anything that bites. And yeah, we didn't catch anything last time we were here over I would say over 2 pounds. So that'll be our goal today, is to hit something 2 pounds and up. And yeah, stay tuned for the action. All right, so we're just gonna start throwing along these banks, seeing if I can provoke any predators. Gotta be a bass back here. There's so much structure. Alright guys, I've been fishing for like 1.5 hours now with the swim bait, and I haven't gotten any bites, so we're going to switch it up to the weedless jig head and little fluke paddle tail thing. So yeah, hopefully we can get a fish on this. Alright, let's see if we can turn our luck around with the weedless jig. Skip it under that tree right there. That looks good. What a terrible skip. Would love to get a fish today. Skipping under a tree, that would be sick. We're on. We are on, baby. He's fighting like heck. Oh yeah. Come on, boy. Come on. All right. We got ourselves a good little 2-pounder for sure. Easy, easy 2. That's what I'm talking about. On the weedless jig. I knew that could get it done. So heck yeah, we got our first solid bass of the day. That's what I love to see. And yeah, that's a beautiful fish. So let's just hopefully get ourselves a nice bigger one. But what a great start to day number 2. Oh, we're on. Oh, we were on. Damn. Maybe he'll come back for it. That was a piss poor hook set. And let's see if we can get lucky and get one under these trees. I need a nice big bass to just engulf this thing though. Nice big bass. Looking for the 3-pounder now. We got the 2-pounder. That was a really good skip. That was a nice bite. Look at that gar right here, guys. I know you guys can see that. That was a big one. Very big. He was really in the shallows too. Interesting. Oh, we're on. Oh, that was a 3-pounder all day. He came off. That's painful. Oh, we're on. Oh, what in the world do we have? Oh, this is a nice one. Come on, baby. Stay on, please. Easy 3. Easy 3. Right here, baby. Yes. Whew. Got him in the net. Yeah, baby. That's a lot better fish. And after we just lost one too, so I'm glad we kept casting over there. That's a beautiful fish right there. Gonna get a quick weight on this guy just for reference so we know where we're at. I'm gonna guess 3 pounds because he looks just like it. Let me reset this thing. Oh, it's in kilograms. All right, well, we'll do that conversion later. But heck yeah, nice fish. Let's go ahead and get a selfie with this guy. All right, thank you so much for biting, buddy. There he goes. Woo. So after we just lost our second fish, we redeemed ourselves and got that. So that's freaking awesome. Let's go. All right, we fixed the scale, so it's reading in pounds, ounces now, but I'll put that conversion on the screen for you. But I'm pretty sure that was a 3-pounder, if not high 2s. But we're gonna throw this weedless jig just a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna switch over to frog. All right, guys, we are in frog territory officially. So brought out our lunker hunt. Hopefully we can get something with it. We're just gonna do a casual, nice, slow retrieval. Giving it a pop or two every now and then. And this wind is really carrying me to places I do not want to go. right, guys, I unfortunately took the frog off and we went back with Old Reliable, the weedless jig, but maybe it'll get us a fish in these weeds that we're searching for. Never know. Dang, just rock 'em, sock 'em, bop that freaking tree. Probably scared all the fish away from that. Oh, was that a bite? We're on. There we go. Doesn't feel too big. Oh, he's fighting like heck though. Oh, he's got some power behind him. Come on, boy. Oh yeah, he's a good size. He's a good size. There we go, in the net. Whew. There we go, another solid fish. This one's definitely gotta be close to 3. And now that our scale is not dum-dum, we're gonna get a good weight on him. So yeah, pounds, ounces, I'm gonna say it's gotta be 3 pounds. It's so close. 2 pounds, 5 ounces, all right. Well, you know, nonetheless, still a solid fish. Very, very healthy guy. But yeah, man, that's the weedless jig for you. It's really hammering them today. Loving these guys. Thank you so much for biting, bud. There he goes. All right. Well, day 2 is already a million times better than day 1. So, woo, can't ask for much more than that. All right, guys, that's pretty much going to wrap up this fishing session. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know what you guys liked, didn't like, how I can improve, etc., etc. I'm pretty new to this whole fishing thing, but I'm loving every second of it. This has been Chris Can't Fish, and hopefully one day I will learn.